Hello Library 4 and welcome to our Rainforest Animal Research project. I'm excited to be able to continue this in Schoology. I will be posting lessons for you at least once a week so that we can continue where we left off. So the first thing I'm going to mention is that it's very important that you access Schoology through myapps.stanfordcs.org and not the app on your iPad. It works much better if you access it through MyApps. So the assignment, most of you have conducted research on a rainforest animal. Some of you have used 3 sources, some of you have used 2. If you are absent, it's possible that you've only used 1, but don't worry. Whatever sources you have, you can take the information from there. And if you need to get more information, I'm going to show you how to get on to the Britannica School like we did in class. So you've taken notes using a separate organizer for each source. And don't worry that you don't have those at home. Be on the lookout in your messages because I'm going to message those to you so you don't have to look up what you've already done. And today you will begin to express what you've learned via a media album on Schoology. And when I'm talking about media, I'm talking about, in our case, a picture of your animal. Today I'm going to show you how to find an image of your rainforest animal on Britannica School and post it in Schoology to share with your peers. Of course, the first step is going to Britannica School. Now, if you don't remember how to do that, don't worry because I did put the instructions on Schoology, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here. Once you're in Britannica School, you'll be finding an image that you like of your animal. And once you've found an image, you're going to press and let go of your image, and then select Save Image. And that will save it to your photos on your iPad. So before we get started, I'm just going to introduce you to your Schoology page. You'll notice at the top you have a copy of your emergency closing instructions, which were basically a reading log that I sent home. So you can work on that as you please. Return that when we get back to school. You have a discussion forum. If you ever have any questions, you can go ahead and go in there, post a question, and I'll do my best to answer you as quickly as possible. You also have a link on how to access Overdrive. So if you're looking for something to read but you don't have it at home and you can't go to an actual library, you can visit our Overdrive online library and check out books there. You also have a link to Opals, which is our library catalog. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to go into the library to check out books. We've used that to search for books, but you will be able to use Opals to get to Overdrive and also to get to Seek, which is where we find Britannica School, and I'll show you that in just a moment. We have another discussion area for good things. This is totally optional. If you have something good you'd like to share, I'm sure the class would like to hear it. I would like to hear it. So if you ever have a good thing you'd like to share, go ahead and put that in there at any time. And then what we're looking for, we need our Britannica School instructions so we can remember how to get into Britannica School and get our picture, and the Rainforest Animals media album, basically a picture album. We're all going to share our animals and the information that we found about them. So first off, our Britannica School instructions. Now when I click on there, you'll see the document and it should look very familiar. You have it in your folder. I'm sorry I didn't get to send the folders home with you. But here are the instructions on how to access Britannica School. So the steps to access Britannica School online, you need to go to Opals and then click on Seek. So if you recall, Seek is this globe-looking thing right here. Now, you might also remember that there are a couple different ways to get to Opals. You can go to the Stanford Central School website, which is probably what most of you will be doing. Or you might have it bookmarked in your iPad already because we've used it several times. So if you don't have it bookmarked, you're going to go ahead and go to the Stanford Central School website, which is stanfordcs.org, and hopefully you know how to go there because we're going there to find out lots of information on what we're supposed to be doing during this emergency closure. But to get to Opals, you're just going to go ahead right here and click on the Library tab, and you'll see Opals right here under Quick Links. Click on Opals. And you're in. So we still need to get to Britannica School, so we'll go ahead and click on Seek. And in mine, it's right on top, Britannica School. Sometimes they're ordered differently. You might have to look around for it, but it's certainly in there. So you click on Britannica School, and we are going to choose the elementary level. And then you're going to put the name of your animal in the search bar. I did a blue morpho butterfly, so mine is the blue morpho. And yours is your assigned animal. I'm sure you remember what it is. Once we press enter, we'll have plenty of our options to choose from, but most normally your link is going to be the first one, which is the article that leads to your animal. Once you've found your animal in Britannica Online, you're going to find a picture of your animal and click on the one that you like. Then you're going to press and let go of your image. Once you'll do that, you'll have an option to save your image. You want to go ahead and save image. That will save the image right to your photos on your iPad. Next, we're going to go back to Schoology, and you may have your Britannica School instructions still up. You can click on this link right here, and it will bring you back to all the course resources that are available. We are going to scroll down to the Rainforest Animals Media Album, and you'll see that it has instructions here. Please watch Sharing Our Rainforest Research, which is what you're watching right now, and then add a picture of your rainforest animal and give it a caption. So you're going to give it a name underneath. So the first thing you need to do is hit Add Media, and then you're going to hit Attach Files right here. Then you're going to choose your photo library. This will open up your photos on your iPad. Then once you're in your photo library, you're going to choose the picture that you just saved to your photos, and then you're going to add media. You'll notice that your picture showed up in the media album. Now we need to add a caption. Mine says you have successfully added one file. You can see them below, or give it a caption. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my picture, and I'm going to edit the caption. And in the caption, I want you to put the name of your animal. So mine is a blue morpho butterfly. Once you've typed in the name of your animal, you're going to go ahead and click Save. Once you've clicked Save, you can go back into the album and you can see that your picture is there with the name of your animal underneath. My hope is that we'll have pictures of each of your animals there. We will have the pictures, and then once you get your organizers, where it says write a comment right here, you will be adding information about your animal. Please don't write a comment now because you don't have the information that you researched. Okay, so that's it. So you're going to Britannica School. Once you're in Britannica School, you're finding an image that you like of your animal by searching for your animal, clicking on the article and looking at the pictures there. Once you have a picture that you like, press and let go of your image, and then select and save your image. If you have any questions at all, feel free to either message me or use our Ask a Question forum. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I hope you're able to add your picture to our media album. Signing off for now.